Can you hear the difference? It is not just the band, it's the fingers you use. Today, I will show you which fingers to use and why it matters. For half-step bend, a half-step bending can be played with your first, second, or third fingers. Next one, whole step bending. A whole step bending needs more strength. 다시. Next one, whole step bend. A whole step bend needs more strength. And use your second or third finger. This one or this one. Support fingers. Never bend with one finger alone. Support the bend. Do not like this. Your fingers should work together. Support. Together. Together. Strong band needs strong support. That's how you stay in control. Today's lesson, strong band needs strong support. Next lesson I will show more bending techniques. See you next time.